Let's face it, most people are scared to follow their dreams. What if I fail? What if others make fun of me? What if I won't be able to make a living from it? Since I was a small kid, I had the dream of being a YouTuber. As the years passed, everybody around me told me that I would never be able to do it. You won't earn any money. Get a normal office job instead. I get it. It's easier to stay on the safe road instead of paving your own path. But was that really how I envisioned my life? A 50-year-old guy who works an ordinary job, hang out with the boring people and live a mediocre life. This is not what I want. I want to work in a job I love, connect with people who are deeply passionate about what they do, and live my life to the fullest. I know that I would be haunted by this dream for my whole life and keep regretting if I didn't take a chance. So I left the well-known road behind me in order to work towards a life of fulfillment, a life that I could happily look back on without having any regrets. What laid ahead of me was a vast landscape without any particular path to follow. But do you know what's kept me going in that journey? I believed in myself every single day along the way. Not achieving that dream was never an option for me, and it shouldn't be one for you either. You got to realize that we live in a world in which everything is possible. You can advance your graph and work towards your goal if you are just willing to put your mind to it. For me, there was no film school, no university, and no mentors, only the internet and the passion of a young man. I shot every day in order to learn more about scripting, shooting and editing videos, and slowly but surely I saw the path that I could follow in order to make my dream come true. Was I afraid to fail? Hell yeah, there were 1,000 things that could go wrong. But what I learned about fear is that it's only hold you back from turning your dream into reality. You don't only have one shot at this. If you fail, get up, learn from it, and try again. In your life, you're the only person who decides how many shots you're going to take in order to make it happen. You're the creator of your own story, so stop looking for excuses to postpone your dream into the future. There will never be the right time to get started. Yesterday you say tomorrow, and tomorrow you're going to say next week. The right time is right now. Take a leap of faith in yourself. Work toward your wildest dreams and embrace your passion. Don't let your dreams be dreams. Your time on this earth is precious, and you shouldn't waste a minute of it living a life you don't want to live.